we're gonna weld the diff. Science.
Science rules.
We're in Las Vegas victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as you can either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Kind of good there,
you know,
my guy.
What I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.
For science purposes. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So as you saw in the last video, we went and picked up this beautiful car, brand new joint. This thing right here, super clean. So today, as I said, we're doing things for science purposes. As you see, I got the lab coat on. We're gonna weld the diff so it doesn't one leg anymore, so we could actually swing it. But yeah, we're here today at City Alignment. Let's weld this diff and then go kill some tires. Come on. I bought the car for science purposes, so came here, have Cisco weld the diff. Make sure you guys go follow my boy City Alignment Concord on Instagram. So let's go take a look at her. Come on. So it's pretty much the same as your car, you know?
Oh, yeah. It's a big bubble.
Starts right up. It's official. It shoots flames. Cute.
Is that a VC?
Yeah, it is. You want to take a look at her? Pop the ponies. Let's go take a look in the stable. Oh yeah.
Whoa, what the? Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you're missing like half of the fucking motor.
So what do you think?
Oh, she's beautiful.
Yeah. See? That's exactly what I said. Check out the brakes on this one.
Oh shit. Oh, I think those are like Bluetooth.
So I bought it, right? The caliper fell off down the street. We took the caliper completely off. So
Oh, okay.
we're running three brakes, you know.
But that's what I'm saying. I think that one is Bluetooth.
little weight reduction, you know.
Oh yeah, you for sure.
And then we plugged the brake line with a screwdriver, duct tape, and a hose clamp.
Sounds OSHA proof.
For sure. Pretty much we're gonna weld the diff and then it'll slide this thing. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the motor in it. I shoved a screwdriver in there because when I hit the gas, it like shot all the way back. So, but yeah, I just used the screwdriver for science purposes.
Hey doctor, can you put some wood?
I got you. I'm a scientist though. Shit. Professional scientist. Alright, let's get to welding this diff, shall we? So we're about to take our first look under. Let's check it out. So it's leaking a lot of diff fluid. Hey now. Hey now. But other than that, she's good to go. There's one muffler. So for science purposes, we're gonna reuse the diff fluid, reuse the gasket, strictly for science purposes, no other reason. I spent $50 on this science lab coat. All right, that's where the diff fluid money went.
$50?
$50.
That's a lot of money.
That's what I said.
All right,
for science.
yeah. Do it.
Do it.
Take a shot every time you hear the word science.
You don't drink, take a dab.
That's reusable, right? For science, it is.
You sure you want to reuse the fluid?
She's mint. That's perfect.
Let me get a magnet. Hold on.
It's not even black, it's just gray.
It's
so
nice
it's
and
all,
silver,
yeah.
you know? Check this out. Science. So that's a magnet. Liquid is not supposed to stick to a magnet. Science. Wow. Science. Science. Fire.
Oh, the gasket's gone.
There it is, the gasket. We're dissecting for science. Alright, so we're trying to find a piece of metal to weld in the differential for science purposes. Science. Someone said drift Einstein. Make it work. Science.
Nah, I'll be fine.
Science? I think we found a nice piece of metal. Science. The grinder just stopped working. It died for science. Science took its toll. Science! Is that your science juice? So you see how the brake cleaner's just evaporating when it touches the hot metal? Science. So watch it catch flame when he puts the welder to it. Science. What do you guys think? Comment down below how he did.
Huh?
Science. Science. That shit is thick. We ran out of old diff fluid, so we're topping it off.
No, it was just dirty.
Topping it off with a little gear oil. We're throwing in some good stuff for science. Some real purple in there. Ooh.
Look at that purple.
Purple. There's gonna be a rainbow in there. Science. Dip is welded. We're on the way. Science. Science.
Science rules.